This is the next problem. Solve d square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to cos h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. Okay. Here also first of all we have to write the operator form. The operator form of given differential equation is d square minus 4 of y is equal to cos h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. First of all, as usual, we have to find out the complementary function by getting the roots for auxiliary equation. So the auxiliary equation of 1 is f of m is equal to 0. So you will get m square. Here f of d is this one. Okay. So m square minus 4 is equal to 0. M square minus this 4 can be written as 2 square. Now clearly it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So you will get m plus 2 times of m minus 2. These are the factors for this quadratic equation. From this, what are the roots? M is equal to minus 2, from this plus 2. Okay, from this you will get minus 2 and from this you will get plus 2. Minus 2 comma plus 2 are the roots for auxiliary equation which are real and different. That's why complementary function of given equation is c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power 2x. Okay, now what is the formula for particular integral? Pi is equal to 1 by f of d of q of x. Replace the value of q of x. So what is q of x? The right hand side function is represented by q of x. So pi is equal to 1 by f of d means d square minus 4 whole into right hand side function. Right hand side has two parts. That's why write in a square bracket. Cos h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. That implies pi is equal to, separate the parts, 1 by d square minus 4 of cos h of 2x minus 1. Here we have hyperbolic function plus 1 by d square minus 4 into 3 power x. Okay, so here we have to write the definition of hyperbolic function. So what is cos hx? Already we know that cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Here also we have cos hx form, but x is 2x minus 1. So 1 by d square minus 4 into, open a bracket, e power 2x minus 1 plus e power minus of this one. So 1 minus 2x whole by 2 plus 1 by d square minus 4. Here we do not have exponential function. Okay, that's why I will write this 3 power x as e power log of 3 power x, because we know that e power log x is equal to x. Okay, x can be written as e power log x from this. Okay, that's why I am writing 3 power x as e power log 3 power x. So again we have two parts here. Separate the parts. 1 by 2 whole into 1 by d square minus 4 into e power 2x minus 1 plus 1 by d square minus 4 into e power 1 minus 2x plus 1 by d square minus 4 into, this term can be written as e power x into log 3. Log 3 is the constant term. Okay, x into log 3. Now we are observing that these both parts are in the form of e power ax plus b. Here also we have e power ax plus b. Here we have e power ax form. However, in all cases we should replace d is equal to a. What is a value? 2. Here also we should replace d is equal to coefficient of x, which is minus 2. Here we have to replace a, d is equal to a. What is a value? Coefficient of x, which is log 3. Okay, but in first two parts you will get failure case. Whenever we are replacing d is equal to 2, immediately we will get 4 minus 4, which is 0. If we get denominator is 0, 1 by 0 becomes infinity. That's why this is called failure case. In both cases we are getting failure cases, since minus 2 comma plus 2 are the roots for the denominator. If we replace their roots in that equation, you will get 0. That's why don't put d is equal to 2 here. Don't put d is equal to minus 2 here. Whenever we get the failure case, it means that whenever we get the denominator 0, I will give you a wonderful technique to you. See here. I will write 1x in the outside of the 1 by f of d. Okay, please write 1x in the product and take the derivative for the denominator. Derivative for d square is 2d and derivative for constant is 0. So write the remaining term, which is e power 2x minus 1. Here also you will get failure case. That's why write 1x in the product and take the derivative for the denominator. Derivative for the d square is 2d again into e power 1 minus 2x plus, here we do not get the failure case. Replace d is equal to log 3. So you will get 1 by log 3 whole square minus 4 into, how can we write again, e power x into log 3? 3 power x. So I will write here 3 power x as usually. So 1 by 2 into, now here we have d, replace it by d is equal to 2, and here in the second part replace d is equal to minus 2 according to the rule. So 2 2s are 4. So x into e power 2x minus 1 by 2 2s are 4. Here I am replacing d is equal to minus 2 here. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So you will get x into e power. I will write 1 minus 2x as minus of 2x minus 1 by 4. Plus I will write last term as usually. 1 by 1 into e power 3 power x. 3 power x by log 3. Simplification for last part is completed. Okay. I will write one more step here. See. Now, here 4 is the common term. In the numerator, x is the common term. And I will take this 1 by 2 to inside. So, the next step becomes x by 4. X by 4 is the common term. And send this 1 by 2 to inside. You will get e power 2x minus 1 plus, sorry, it is negative, so that's why I will write negative sign, e power minus of 2x minus 1 whole by 2. Last part is similar part, 3 power x whole by log 3 whole square minus 4. So x by 4 into, clearly this is the definition of sin hx, but x is nothing but 2x minus 1. So sin h of 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x whole by log 3 whole square minus 4. Clearly we are observing that this first part is in the form of e power x minus e power minus x by 2. That's why this is nothing but sin hx. That's why I am replacing this value with the sin h of 2x minus 1. This is pi. Finally you should write general solution. What is general solution? General solution of given equation 1 is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Don't forget it. So y is equal to, what is c of c1 into e power minus 2x plus c2 into e power 2x plus x by 4 into sin h of 2x minus 1 plus last part is 3 power x by log 3 whole square minus 4. In this way we can complete the problem. In the next video I will give some more problems. Thank you very much.